Hi, I am Hamza from Android Ultra. I hope you fine. In this video, I am sharing best apps for Android in 2020 in my opinion. Number 1. Glasswire. The Glasswire is data usage monitor app on Android. It is also comes with cool features. It is also featured on Android Authority, Droid Glass, SlashGear as a top 10 apps or best apps. So you can see this type of interface after open the app, and there is different apps available, so you can see how different apps use much data. It is specially designed for those people who use data on mobile, not on Wi-Fi, so you can easily manage your data. It comes with the firewall features like different apps here, and also comes with different alerts and different settings. So you can see there is the dark theme or dark mode. It is quite useful at night time because it is enhance your nighttime experience. Number 2. Benimi. Benimi is an animation app on Android, so you can use it to enhance your clip art experience on Android phone. There is different canvas available for different platforms like YouTube, Instagram and TikTok. So if you click on emoji icon, there is different clip arts available in this app. It is pre-installed or built-in, so I am selecting the airplane. This is very easy to use, so you can see it is not difficult as the PC software. It is very easy and it is only under 10 MB app, so you can see you can change the size. It is very easy. You can easily change the settings, delay, elevation and so on. It is on Android, not a PC, so that's why it is very useful for Android users. Those people who like clip arts on PC, it is also useful on Android. So different categories available in clip art. It is also option for manual, add SVG option and different two other categories. It is colorful emoji. It is also draw like a clip art on PC or other powerful softwares. So you can see it is very easy to use. It is also option voiceover and music for background. It is an amazing on Android. So you can see also change the pencil and handwriting pen. Number 3. SwiftKey keyboard by Microsoft. So you can see there is a startup process of Microsoft Swift keyboard. After click on finish, there is option sign in with Google account or Microsoft account. So I'm selecting not now, and now I'm click on no. So installation is successful. So first option is languages. If you click on all languages, there is a lot of options available for languages. Almost every language available in this keyboard, so you can easily select without any hesitations. So second option is themes. There are different themes available in this app, light or dark. It is also comes with the add image option. It is useful for those people who like manual backgrounds on keyboard. So I'm selecting this picture and adjust. So you can see there is how work. So you can see it is looks amazing. The typing experience is also good on this keyboard because it is very lightweight. It is also useful for those users who have a 2 GB or 1 GB RAM phone. It is an amazing because it is from Microsoft. Number 4. Ruthless Launcher. Ruthless Launcher is quite similar like Pixel Launcher. It comes in Google Pixel phones, but you can use it to enhance your experience on Android phone. Ruthless Launcher is very similar like Pixel. That's why I included this app in this list. It is also comes with different settings for home page. So there is dark or light theme options also available. Different grid menu options available. Enhanced custom icon sizes is also available in this launcher. One of the most important and useful feature for this launcher comes with no ads. There is no ads in this launcher. it is amazing because different launchers available on Google Play Store, but all comes with the ads. There is landscape and portrait mode is also available. You can easily use your Android phone as a tablet or as an Android phone. Easily you can see the portrait or landscape is working. Number 5. Zedge. Zedge is one of the best apps for wallpapers, video wallpapers and ringtones. If you open the first time app, there is the first data and personalization instructions or policies by Zedge. There is also comes with the premium plans for monthly or yearly, but you can also use this app for free. I'm using this app for free because it is best experience for wallpapers. So you can see if you click on first one wallpaper, you can easily customize this wallpaper, add emojis or other icons. It is one of the best app for wallpapers or ringtones on Android. This video, if you new to my channel, please subscribe, like and share with others. Thanks for watching.